Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad Junaid. I read in class short course in first year. My madrasa is named Muhammadiyya Arabiya Hafiziyya Madrasa and Etimkhana. My madrasa address is East Nurachari Muslim Pada Jawarianala Ramu Cox Bazar. All praises goes to the Allah, Lord of the universe, peace and blessing be upon the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear brothers, today I want to speak to you about a very important institution in the Muslim world, Darul Uloom Dewan. It is one of the largest and most respected Islamic seminaries in the world, located in Dewan. India founded in 1866. It has played a major role in preserving and spreading the teaching of Islam. The main goal of Darul Uloom Dewan to teach is the pure teaching of Islam. It is one of the largest and most respected Islamic seminaries in the world, located in Dewan. India founded 1866. It has played a major role in preserving and spreading the teaching of Islam. Allah will bless those who have believed among you and those who were given by knowledge. Surah Al-Mujadila. Dear brothers, one of the key contributions of Darul Uloom Dewan is its commitment to preserving traditional Islamic science, including the study of Quran, Hadith, Fiqh and Arabic. It offers a comprehensive education system where students spend their learning to become qualified scholars. Dear audience, at last I want to tell you that Darul Uloom Dewan has made a high amount of contribution to Islamic education, knowledge and unity. May Allah bless Darul Uloom Dewan and help us follow the true teaching of Islam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
মাশাআল্লাহ, অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ হাফেজ মোহাম্মদ জুনায়েদ আল হাবিবকে একটি মিষ্টি স্বরে আমাদেরকে ইংরেজি বক্তব্য শোনানোর জন্য।